Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you a tutorial how to use CapCut templates when you don't have template button. So the simple thing is you can go into TikTok, and after that you can click on the search button here. Then search for CapCut template trend. And after that you can choose the video of here. I will choose this one. And if you see the button like CapCut try this template, you can click on that and then click use template in CapCut. Click use template as usual. Choose the picture. I will choose a Boruto. And then click next. And this is the result. Click export if you want to export it. And if you want to delete the watermark, click export without watermark. So this is tutorial how to use CapCut templates when you don't have template button. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.